Hello dear traders and welcome to another update. For today, I will cover a euro versus US dollar. I will speak about the pound versus US dollar, gold market and the crude oil market. I will start with the crude oil market first. So basically what I found here is a very interesting situation based on a 4-hour time frame. If you check here, price went to the extreme, to the lower Keltner on a good momentum, but when the price did rally back into the recent swing low and into this 20 moving average, you will notice that price started to sell off and it actually made a free bar balance, and now it's taking the high of that balance, which is actually pretty positive for the further movements. I will expect the crude oil to continue with this with upside momentum. We get a breakout, the free bar coil, plus we entered above this previous swing low, and we have a failed retest of the low. So I do expect price to continue upside and eventually test the upper extremes in 72.91 and 73.33. Definitely if the price will take 68.55, this will confirm eventual more noise or even test the low. But for now, this looks like a pretty bullish environment so far based on this reaction and this 3-bar coil. So watch for buying opportunities on the pullbacks using intraday time frames. To go on the euro versus US dollar, euro versus US dollar is in a big coiling process, and it's somewhere in the middle of this coiling process at 1.1291. What kind of identifying here is that most recently we got rejection from the lows, which give more odds for some upside actually for the price to go towards the upper extremes again, around 1.1350 and 1.1375. So notice that we got also very important to the high right there at 1.1300 zone. So that 300 level is quite crucial for the euro, and I think if the price can go above that 300 zone, 302, 303, it can open the door for higher prices. So again, euro market overall is in the coiling process, but it's giving I give more odds to the upside because of this rejection of the low most recently, and especially if we can trade above 1.1, 302, 303 and sustain above, this can really be positive for a retest of the upper extreme of this sideways regime. If I go to the pound, British pound versus US dollar, we can basically see that we got a rejection of this very big cluster of the lows, if you can find here, around 1.3, 178, 1.3, 164. So we got a rejection there, quite aggressive, and then the price took that pivot high. So we're basically having right now rejection in the background. Now I do expect as well for a pound to go higher, especially because of this rejection of the pivot support, and actually price did a 1-bar back, and if you can check, market started to sell off, but then we failed to test that fully low and took the high, which also give more odds for the upside price. Obviously, the important pivot from upside will be is set around this zone. So the zone around 1.13, 1.3343, 1.3372. So watch carefully that pivot zone for the further if in case of that upside movement so far. So it's looking also bullish, so watch for buying opportunities. And the last one I want to cover is gold market. Gold market got a critical pivot area around this stage. If you check what the gold market did, we get a 3-bar breakout of exactly around that support cluster. So once the resistance, we got a breakout, now that resistance became support, and you see the market basically did struggle to go below that, made a 3-bar balance and basically broke to the upside. So this will give the more odds for the upside continuation and eventual retest again of 1808 and 1813. So watch for buying opportunities on intraday pullbacks on the gold. That's all for today. I hope that you did enjoy. Trade safe, and see you all tomorrow morning.